Find, enter, prove, travel, act, coordinate, store, watch, recover, pay.
10 regions on the ring and they hand off clean.
Name the fork before you ever read the screen.
One fork at a time. Descend.
Hybrid Frontier. Papers. Now.
Enter the Hybrid Frontier. Wire, files, databases. 3 ways across. Never the same.
Quick, encrypted, internet is fine.
Site-to-site VPN. Up today, online.
Consistent latency. Sustained fat pipe.
Direct connect. Dedicated. Lock tight.
Dedicated, but encryption is required.
VPN over DX. A tunnel in the wire.
One circuit dies. You still survive?
Redundant DX. Standby VPN. Alive.
Direct Connect is already right. Now name the virtual interface.
Which VIF? Go! Private VPC resources inside.
Private VIF. Straight to the VPC side.
Public endpoints. S3. Wide.
Public VIF. Public IPs. Ride.
Many VPCs. One hub to drive.
Transit VIF. Transit gateway. Tied.
Move or sync files. Bulk. On a clock.
DataSync. Agent. Verified. Locked.
On-prem app still wants AWS storage.
Storage gateway. Local cache. Backed.
Storage gateway is right. Name the gateway.
NFS or SMB. S3 behind the door.
File gateway. Files in. Objects stored.
iSCSI block volumes. Raw floor.
Volume gateway. Blocks. Snapshot. Restore.
Backup software wants tape. Legacy chore.
Tape gateway. Virtual tape. Glacier core. DataSync. Now say my cues.
Millions of files. NFS, SMB, scheduled, incremental, repeats. Checksum verified in flight. On-prem into S3, EFS, FSX.
All 4. That is the ferry.
Same engine both ends. Minimal downtime.
DMS. Change data capture. Cut over on time.
Oracle to Aurora. Engine change.
SCT plus DMS. Convert. Then drain.
The whole server. Lift the box.
MGN. Rehost. Boot it in the cloud.
2 answers. Both can do the job. VPN stands up in an hour. Direct Connect is steady and slow to arrive. The stem says needed in days. Direct Connect dies. The stem says consistent. The internet dies. Files or a live database. DataSync or DMS, a running database. DataSync dies. Deadline beats the pipe. Every wire dies. Ship the disk.
The stem names the constraint. The constraint names the answer. Snow is right. The number picks the box.
Rugged edge. Small. A few terabytes.
Snowcone. 8 pounds. Pocket size.
Tens of terabytes. Compute on site.
Snowball edge. Terabyte scale prize.
Petabytes. A data center. All of it?
Snowmobile. A truck. That is the call.
Pipe too small for the deadline. Stalled?
Snow family. Ship the disk. Beat the wall.
Law says the data never leaves the floor.
Outposts. AWS racks. Your door.
A circuit is not a route.
Direct Connect lands. Then what?
Virtual interface. Then a gateway. Then the VPC.
One VPC takes a virtual private gateway, and many?
Direct Connect gateway or transit gateway. Fan it out.
Delete the second circuit. What fails?
One cut and the frontier is closed. No standby to hold.
DMS full load only. Why is the cutover wrong?
Writes during the load are lost. Turn on change data capture.
Direct Connect on its own. Is it encrypted?
It is private. It is not encrypted. That answer dies.
Frontier crossed. Now prove who you are.
Find, enter, prove, travel, act, coordinate, store, watch, recover, pay.
10 regions on the ring and they hand off clean.
Name the fork before you ever read the screen.
Enter is done. 10 regions on the ring.
Next region, next fork, go!